Very good. What's this one?
A bear.
A pear.
Pear.
Uh-huh. And this one?
Shoe.
Yes. What's that one?
Shoe.
No, what's this one?
Tree.
A tree. Do you remember this one?
Fly.
Leaf.
Leaf.
Leaf. What's this one?
Bear.
Yeah. And that one?
Cat.
Yes. You know that one.
Bow.
Mm-hmm. What's that?
Dog.
Yes, it is. What's that one? Marla? What's that? What's that?
Horse.
What? Is it a bike?
Uh-oh.
What happened? Ooh, what's this? Is that cake? Yeah. Do you know what this one is?
Chicken.
Yes! I didn't know she knew that one. What's this?
What's it?
Mouse?
Mouse.
Mouse. You know what this one is?
Hat.
No, it's a bell.
Bow.
Bell. It looks kind of like a hat.
What?
What's this?
What's that? What's that?
A doll? Doll?
A door.
Doll.
Door.
Doll. You know what this is?
What's that?
Yarn.
Yarn.
Yeah. And this right here?
What's that?
That's a kite.
Cat.
Kite. And this one?
White.
It's a light. Yes. We call it a lamp. This one. Can you tell me what that one is? That's the kite.
Cat.
Yeah. Flies in the sky. What's this one?
White.
A light. Yes.
What's that?
That's a girl.
Girl.
Girl. You know what this one is?
What's that? What's that?
That's a fox.
What?
Fox.
What's that?
It's an egg.
Egg.
Yeah. This is a funny looking one. What's this? Look.
White.
Uh-huh.
What's that?
That's a bee.
Bee.
Yes.
Baby.
Do you know what that one is?
Moo.
No.
Moo.
It's a goat.
What's that?
That's a goat.
Goat.
Yes. You know what that is?
Knee.
That's what he says.
Knee.
That's what he says.
Knee.
He's a horse.
Horse.
Yeah, horse. Remember this one? Boots.
Shoe.
Yes.
Boot.
Boot shoes. Mm-hmm.
A shoe.
Mm-hmm. Moon.
Moon.
Yes.
Me say you.
What's this?
Say.
Do you know what this one is? We haven't talked about this one yet. It's a vase. What are you doing? Oh, no.
Hello.
Hello? What do you see in there you like? There's some drums. You played the drums the other day. What do you see? An apple? Yes, there's an apple in there. A pear.
You could touch. You could touch. Here you touch. Here pool. I will pool.
Turn them over and tell me what you see. That's a girl. Girl. And boots.
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 Shoe.
Like a shoe, yes.
Hello.
Peekaboo. Yay! Marla can read. She knows the stuff.